early morning installs were literally probably the only thing I ever installed in my car ever. I'm a good sponsor, or sponsoree. It's 8:10 and we're currently today going to Area 1320 for the second time to visit them and to visit the Legacy for the first big step in the Legacy build process, and that is pulling the motor. And I think the transmission, I know they're connected. Let's go get Cody. Do you want coffee or do you have?
Sure.
Ooh, a Subaru! Cody, I see a Subaru! I'm gonna wave. Oh. Damn it, nothing. If your friends help you with something, be a good friend and get them Dunkin' Donuts. Try our brand. We gotta get sponsored. For real though, if you know somebody at Dunkin', hook it up.
No, thank you so much. Oh, okay.
Notice anything different? Isn't that cool?
Gonna go?
At least 10.
Whoa.
Yep. You like it?
I like it.
I did good.
Bet we're gonna get pulled over. Yay, thanks. It's a beautiful Saturday in Pennsylvania.
He's covered in shit. You reached in the wrong honey hole, ball.
Yay, area 1320.
Woo! That's area 1302 and then a turbo.
That's literally what I just said. It's almost like they're a Subaru shop.
Hey. Alright, shit. Let's go back.
Goodbye. Oh, George. Damn, I'm good. He's gonna be pulling the motor out of the Legacy. And how long is it gonna take, roughly?
Oh, let's see how much it fights us, but you know, we'll say about a 45 to an hour.
All right, and now what are you thinking is wrong with the motor, initially?
Lack of oil in the motor.
Well, it's Chris, so it wouldn't surprise me at all. What are you doing?
So I'm just building up the Moby real quick with the A7S to get prepped to film Ryan and the team here at Area 1320 rip the motor out of the car. We'll establish what we're doing in a second, but right now I'm just building this up with the A7S so I can actually film them for the video. So it's not all shaky vlog camera.
It's a weird looking red.
It's not, because that would be more than overkill.
Chris, you're getting a 600 horsepower motor build. You want to talk about
more than overkill?
All right. Hey, Chris.
Yeah? What? I can't tell what you're doing.
Go see you in the vlog. Subscribe. Oh my god.
He has more nuts than oil in this car.
Yeah.
Customer of ours we just finished the motor on. Did the 93 octane tune. Decided to go Cobb flex fuel. So we're adding the flex fuel and E85 now. See what kind of power it puts out.
So it's gonna be loud as hell.
Oh, it's gonna be loud. Yeah.
Nice.
He said, Cobb flex fuel? Like we were saying, today is one of the bigger days of the build, the whole entire process of us here with the guys at 1320. The motor is getting pulled out of the car. Bye-bye, no longer. New freshies going in shortly. So the entire motor is gonna get pulled out. All the Grimsby parts that we have aren't gonna be useful anymore. So we might do like a giveaway on those. So stay tuned on those details if you maybe want some of our Grimsby Stage 3 Power Package goodies that we have in there. We might give them away to you guys. So stay tuned for that. Let us know in a comment. Should we give them away to people?
They don't fit my car, so sure.
Comment down below if we should do that. We're gonna get started. What is going to be the first step here today on the lighting is bad? Boom, on the motor build, on the motor pull at least, I guess.
Essentially start pulling it apart. All the accessories, all the intake, intercooler, stuff like that. That way we can get down to the nitty gritty of the motor and see if we can pull it out.
How difficult do you think this car is gonna be?
Knowing it's yours, it's probably gonna fight me every single step of the way.
Well, we'll be here to vlog you struggling, and I'll be this far apart. Cody, you want to help him if he needs it?
Sure.
All right. Well, you're supposed to.
Even slower now.
I brought the A7S and the Moby with me today. I'm going to film them actually doing all this in the process. So you guys can see what that's like. We'll ask questions along the way, but let's go ahead and get out of the way and let them get started on the teardown of the Legacy.
Chris is doing like an establishing shot, so he has George pulling the radiator, and now he's recording and putting it down, so we can stitch those shots together and make it kind of cool.
accessories out of the way.
What are your thoughts on the plastic intake manifolds as opposed to the original metal ones?
They flow better than the original metal ones.
Okay.
We've seen problems at higher boost levels that the vacuum lines tend to pop off because there's no support for the vacuum line on them. Flow design, though, Subaru did a good job with them, I think.
Actually impressive.
Well, here we go.
And we got bitch bolt number 1. Yay! It's okay, it's coming off the bill. The bell housing to transmission gonna be fun splitting that?
This car might have to fight a little bit, but they're usually not too bad.
So Cody, how far we got into this motor teardown, motor engine, whatever you want to call it, trigger? You're gonna trigger no matter what.
Hang on.
It's just a
44 minutes. George, come on, buddy.
So we're about 44 minutes into the teardown right now so far. We've been filming a bunch. We're making a lot of progress so far. George, what has been your biggest struggle thus far in life? I'm just kidding. What's the next big step?
Put the brackets on the chain and get the motor out.
Oh, sick. Sweet.
Left on both.
Hell yeah. Awesome. No.
Dude, there's no oil in this. Fucking weird.
Leave it.
Can I have this?
He doesn't use it.
Get his hand fucking with the motion.
Genius.
Yeah, all right. And she's done.
Time check.
51 minutes with us filming and minor stops. 51 minutes to pull the motor out of the Legacy.
A little hot spotted. Somebody rides the clutch a little bit.
Well, every time we filmed out of it. And there's a very expensive car behind us. Yes.
Yeah, I'm sure.
All right, not that bad.
Look at how much it shifted.
Wow, dude, you're fucked.
What does that mean?
Wait, explain.
So with the dual mass, it takes up some vibration and a little bit of harshness of the clutch.
I'm gonna move you back one step. What's a dual mass?
Dual mass, it's essentially two pieces of a flywheel that are kind of rubber mounted per se, to take out some of the shock of a clutch and some of the vibration inside the cabin.
Okay.
But when you really screw with it, the dual mass starts to move, and then, you know, you can't get to the
So
bolts
this basically
to get it
turned
off.
into a single-piece flywheel.
Those are all supposed to be like accessible
Yes,
through those holes.
yes, that's how you get the flywheel off the motor.
Oh.
Nice, Chris.
All right. What would cause that to happen?
Horrible standard driving that can't downshift to save his fucking life.
Really, over
Answer-
time, they just wear out. It's like
Yeah.
any other rubber part, it deteriorates. But just a bit of aggressive driving at times.
So the previous owner is what you're saying?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
The
thank you.
first
Okay, now I
person,
feel better.
They must have learned how to drive stick on this.
What kind of Subaru are we working with here?
I don't know. It sounds a little weird. Let me go try and start it.
Oh shit. Yo, pop the hood. What the fuck's in this thing? Oh my god! It's a Krispy edition.
So we got the motor out. Transmission is going to come out next, and that's because we're going to put a 6-speed into this bad boy. Are we doing an STI or Spec B 6-speed?
It's gonna be considered Spec B at that point anyway. So.
Cool.
One of them's gonna be a 6-speed. Yo, watch that hood prop that we're deleting.
Yeah, seriously.
So next time in the process, they got that out really quick. In under an hour, they had the entire motor pulled, ready for the trans to come out now. This little baby's still attached.
For now.
I just might have broke something.
Yeah, I got a long road ahead of me.
What would give you that?
Yeah, you do.
Damn.
I think I need a tetanus shot before I continue.
Which sensor
I would recommend that, yeah. Cool. So we got the motor out, or we didn't get the motor out. George got the motor out of the car.
In 58 minutes.
Or engine, whatever you
51.
guys...
Sorry, 51. Go ahead.
Engine, whatever you guys want to say it. So what's the next step? What are we using off this? What aren't we using off this?
Essentially, most of it's going to be not reused. Covers, bolts, stuff like that. The heads, we're going to refresh, do some magic to them.
Ooh.
Throttle bodies.
Some magical heads.
Nice aftermarket gauges.
I installed that. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we saw the install. I'm saying the gauge is nice.
All right.
Say the install.
Yeah, there's a compliment in there somewhere, boys. I'll take it.
Most of it's just not going to get reused, and we're going to go full bore with it.
We reusing the dipstick?
Not like you're going to use it, so.
No, we're not letting him touch it now. We're going to build in-house a nice built motor that'll handle everything we can throw at it. Heads will get redone, cleaned up, maybe some magic into the ports and stuff like that.
Yes, multi-port ground job.
Small things will come off the car and get reused. Boost controller, throttle body, some bolts and covers and stuff like that. Try to clean it up as much as we can since,
What motor are you going to be
wasn't
using?
Maintained.
What's the base of the motor going to be? EJ what?
It's still going to be an EJ 2.5.
Okay.
We're not going to bore it or anything like that, or go stroker, nothing.
You're going to stroke it? All right, here we go.
Thinking, throwing around the idea of different placements other than just a rotated turbo setup, which is great and awesome and different, but it's not that different. What's the other idea you're throwing out there?
We're thinking about front mounting it, putting it right up in the grill of the car. So we're going to try and see how fitment works and,
Imagine a big
hopefully
turbo.
bigger than his hand.
I really wish that wasn't there. Just kick it like wham! No more AC.
Hopefully that would be really cool. A front-mounted Legacy GT wagon, that would be so cool just to show off in general.
With keeping AC also.
That's the cliffhanger.
That's the thing.
Pretty boy has to stay nice and cool when he's out there.
So what's the idea to make that happen?
We're going to look into options of possibly Civic style stuff. Really
Spoon
off the
engines.
shelf instead of going custom.
Yeah.
And we'll see what we can make fit, make work, maybe some electric compressors and stuff like that instead of staying with the belt-driven stuff. And we'll see what we can do.
So what you're saying is we could put a Type R in the badge and get away with it.
We're going to
yes.
put a motherfucking
yes.
spoon engine.
If anybody out there has any ideas, obviously feel free to let us know in the comments down below on some other ways, whether it be the Honda half rad that the guys are talking about or anything like that to keep the car cool with minimal spacing, I guess you would say, a room for a front-mounted turbo as well. Leave it in a comment down below, so maybe there's some suggestions out there that we don't know about that you guys might, or you have seen something on a forum, somewhere deep in a forum. Let us know in a comment down below, because that'd be super helpful. So we have a grill here that we're also going to be fitting in the car, and this is...
Oh my god, well wait a minute. What are you trying to work here? Jesus Christ, it's like an actual shop.
Yes.
We're getting Chinese food for lunch, I assume.
That's
Does that
triggering it. So we're going to give them this Zero Sports grill to keep here, which I'm also super stoked on, which I accidentally bought originally because it is for the post-facelift model of the Legacies. I have the pre-facelift bumpers. But we're going to have the guy, Josh Kroll, who's doing the paint and body work, just cut away at our JDM bumper to make it fit. So got a nice Zero Sports bumper, which actually is used, but it's in great condition and super hard to find.
The Japanese people take care of their shit, unlike us Americans.
Also a fact. So here's your...
I like how in the grand scheme of this, though, he's just like, to help in the entire motor build, here's a fucking grill.
Essentially, I would like to see it open. That way you can really see in there.
I wouldn't put anything in it.
Yeah. I would take this and just...
We can put like you're saying, like 2 brackets or something.
Carbon fiber bracket.
This was on another Legacy that it was on Super Street one.
It was like shit. It's so shit behind it. Chris, what's George doing now?
The turny thing that turns the other turny things where the plate things go to the motor, that's going to come out.
Get the fuck to work.
Trans is coming out.
Cool.
So.
Let's go.
It's NAM!
What are you doing? This is Chris is doing the only install he can do.
I'm working.
Hurry up, the battery went to orange.
Okay. Center? Yeah, the bell, right?
Yeah, man. Bet.
Oof. Official. Area 1320. Oof.
One more for the cinematic. I'm gonna follow you this time. Go for it. Yeah.
Wow, Cody. Flares, you're learning, man.
Thanks, buddy.
You're learning about flares. What's in the bag? Ooh. Ah. Ryan, what is it?
Big can. Air oil separator from Cobb.
Oh, shout out to Cobb. Thank you guys. This will be going on the Legacy. Air oil separator. These are Cobb's air oil separators. Huge shout out to Cobb. They supplied us with one for the Legacy. When we get this in the car and actually do the install, we'll have the guys here at the shop talk more. We'll have the guys at the shop talk more about it when we actually put it into the car itself.
Sponsored.
But shout out to Cobb, and Cobb, thank you guys so much. They're a big supporter of this build. We're gonna have their E85 flex fuel kit in there and a few of their other parts as well as their front mount and now their air oil separator as well. So huge shout out to them. Make sure you guys check out Cobb. Their link will be down there in the video description below. So we're done here for today at Area 1320. The motor has been pulled, the trans has been pulled, the trans is loaded into the Forester. The NVIDIA exhaust we have here, we're gonna leave here. We're gonna grab that next time we come and maybe put that up for sale. So if there's anybody out there interested in one, let me know. The rest of the stuff we're gonna come back when we go and do, what's probably next? What do you guys think we'll come back next for? What's gonna be a big step? Or just something cool.
Get the motor together. Hopefully.
So hopefully when more parts show up from Vibrant or Garrett, we'll come by, check in on those and show up some of like the custom fab possibly that the guys are going to be doing or anything along those lines.
Start on the exhaust soon, as soon as that stuff shows up.
Could do that. Full titanium custom exhaust, which is going to be so cool. Awesome. So guys at Area 1320, thank you for today. It was cool watching and learning about motor being pulled, what goes into it, what goes into the transmission being pulled, and learning all the basics that you guys can make fun of me for not knowing. But I'm learning. So cool. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. It was a good time. Sick. Thank you guys. Cool. All right. Cody, productive day. Chris learned some things.
Wait.
Me
Why
learned
don't you
some.
flip up the screen, dude? Can't even see each other.
I have faith that I'm in this.
I'm not. Hey guys, I just like to see myself.
So we got the motor pulled, which is really cool. It's a giant step on the Legacy because we need to go and make room for our 600 horsepower build. 600 horsepower, crazy. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned something today. If not, I learned something, so fuck off. And we're gonna head back home now. We're gonna stop back here next. Maybe we'll visit the interior shop next and check in on them and see how the interior of the car is coming along. Right now, what we're just doing is waiting for parts to come in from some sponsors. So it's pretty much a waiting game at this point. So
Get fucked.
that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Area 1320. Again, if you guys need a motor builder, anything super related,
Or parts.
check out Area 1320 here out in Pennsylvania. All their website, which will be down there in the video description. Shout out to them for being awesome and putting up with me asking about what everything is. Because everyone out there is like, you building a 600 horsepower car, but you don't know how to modify a car. I'm trying! We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.